chicken korma. One cup oil. 3 medium onion. Oil stained from onion plus a half cup more oil. Three tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 kilogram chicken. One 2 teaspoon turmeric. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. $250 grams yogurt. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon dry coriander powder. 1 tablespoon zeera powder. Add fried onion. One teaspoon black pepper. Time to dish out. Like the video. Subscribe the channel. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.